Hi everyone! I do hope na supportahan niyo po ako and I wanted to thank you, all of you, kasi kung wala din kayo, wala ako dito ngayon. And I wanted to thank my family because they have been there for me since day one, and to God because he was there since I was born, and I am so glad that he blessed me with such blessings po, and I'm so glad that my supporters are one of my blessings po, and I'm so happy and loved by you guys. I love you. Sana po supportahan niyo po ako dito ngayon sa pagpasok ko po sa bahay ni Kuya, and I hope you guys are doing well, and remember what I always tell you or told you, that always to be kind and spread kindness and love.
Ate B. Di ba na-speechless tayo, Ate B, no? Ayan, salamat, Angie. Proud
Thank you
ang
po.
Surigao. Proud Surigao nun tayo.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat, Angie. Congratulations, and we will see you soon.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Nels. Thank you, Ate Bianca.
Bye.